Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's good, butter? Chat here from the underside of the Regal 2665 Commodore. Today I'm going to work on getting the anodes replaced. I've got this one here, this one on the other side, and then the round one underneath the cavitation plate. Hopefully this goes smoothly, and first time I've ever done it, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, well, we'll see how that works. It's kind of windy, might fall over. We shall see. Alright. I bought the anode kit from Quicksilver. It comes with front plate, trim pieces, and the cavitation plate, along with the bag of bolts that come pre-coated with Loctite. Okay, 8mm socket to start with here. Do a little chipping away. The anode is actually corroded around the bolt just a little bit. Okay, should do it. Off. I did have the I did hook up the batteries, so the batteries are on and charging. It didn't drain much over the winter. Both were still at about 12.2, so that's good. Alright, this one is going to require a wobble, either universal or wobble adapter. Yep, I'm gonna put the drive down a little bit. After fighting with this for several minutes, finally got here. There we go. Really badly corroded. Nasty. Back one first. Oh, I need a star washer. I really shouldn't be doing this today. I'm not feeling well, but it's got to be done. Alright, there's one. I got here just in time today. Ben was pulling the boat outside, and which made for great working in the back of the building that's right behind me, where it's been stored all. One anode done. Fantastic. All right, I'm gonna shut the camera off, do the other side, and then I'll come back. I'll turn it back on. We'll do the front plate and the cavitation plate. Okay, let me show you what I'm working on here. If I look down in here, if I can get this to focus. There we go. So the corrosion is around this bolt. So I'm just working on clearing out that corrosion so that I can get the socket on the bolt and get it loose. The top one's already free. So I'm almost there, I think. Okay, now I'm going to remove the cavitation plate anode. Bolt is down inside there. Just remove the rubber cap that was on there. This one should be fairly easy. Grips to get that bolt out of there. Bolt, and I dropped the washer. I'm gonna fish that out. See the bolt sticking down through there. And I'll get the new one. Sticker on each one of these that says magnesium anode, freshwater only. Okay, that one's done. Okay, now the last one is up under here. Okay, I'm not really sure why the camera shut off, but this bolt is free. Now I'm going to work on that front one, and then I'll get that plate replaced. Okay, there's the front anode that came off. New one in place here. Stainless steel bolts are in. And so I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All 4 anodes replaced. Next thing I'm going to do is replace the exhaust bellows here because you see they're torn. And those bellows look good. They look like they've been replaced at some point before. So the only one I'm concerned about is the exhaust bellows, and that's gonna be a pain in the ass. But I may take this one off, but I won't get the other new one put on today. I have it, just won't get it put on today. Okay, I've got both ends of the exhaust bellows loose. One clamp off, and then should be just a matter of fishing it through. Although, there you go. That's where it's ripped. So, they look pretty good. Whoops. The main driveline bellow looks to be in really good shape, and the other one, which I think is the gear bellow, the smaller one, looks to be in good shape as well. Those are the ones you kind of have to worry a little bit about from cracking, but it looks really good. Okay, here's this is the new exhaust bellows. I'm not going to put these in today, mainly because it's getting a little bit late, and I actually forgot the bellows adhesive that get lined on the edge of this. So this would be a project for maybe over the weekend. But I'm going to stuff it up in there. Clean that up, both sides, and figure out a way to stretch this out and connect the other end. Alright, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video on how to replace the anodes. Pretty simple job. I just noticed that the trim tab ones are starting to get a little bit worn. Probably run these another season and replace them in the fall or next spring. They're not in too bad a shape, but those are going to be done at some point as well. So next time, it looks like I'll be working on the exhaust bellows, so we'll come back and watch another one.